tie our figure 8 knot behind, twist, and through. Whoops, didn't twist enough times. Twist twice. Once is a granny knot, twice is your figure 8. Cut off your tail. Don't need that much. Alright, loop it around your cord, and then you tie the overhand knot. Overhand knot. Boom. And then you stretch. Oops. Not like that. Okay. So I have positioned this form. I know it's not lining up with the lines. Don't worry about those. Pull tight and wrap. Now see, this one's fairly thick. This is where you could, if you wanted to, use a lashing hole instead of going all the way through the frame. The reason why this one's thicker is because this is where the back of the combing is going to go, and this is where you're going to sit to get into these kayaks. So this one has to be a little thicker for extra structural integrity. Another kayak that I built, two of the other kayaks that I built actually have a bar that goes in the middle of this to reinforce it, which I think is pretty good, but then it also you can't really reach behind you to get anything if you put anything behind you while you're kayaking. So, I mean, it's just a structural choice. And of course, the hole on that kayak, those other two kayaks, was bigger as well. So, I mean, there was more space here in general. Alright, we are on the last one here. That looks like it could be sharp. That's fine. It's not. Alrighty, and so let out some slack. And grab a screwdriver. Whoop, sorry. Get out of the light here. Slip it behind, being careful not to fray your cord. There you go. And then we're going to go down and through. One. If you find that it's a little difficult or it gets snagged on something, just slip it back through. Straighten it out. The wax will help it form like its little needle point. So you can just slide it down on in there nice and easy like. And just pull tight. That was 3, and we're going to do one more. Number 4 here. And then we will 1, 2, 3. You can do this more times, but the more times you do it, the harder it's going to be to pull tight like this. And you could end up friction damaging your cord, your lashing. It's just not good. It could end up snapping. You'll just have to relash it. No big deal, but you know, just a minor setback. So just be careful. Twist twice for the figure 8. Otherwise it'll be an overhand granny knot and it could slip right on off if it does ever start to unwind. And then snip the tail. All done.